Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Rob Jr., and this is my channel, Creative Rob. Thanks for tuning in. So I have another mixed media artwork to share with you, and this is a portrait of Charles Bukowski. I would consider this a modern Impressionism painting, and if you don't know who Charles Bukowski is, he is a writer and a poet. He's passed away, but look up some of his work if you need some reference. Here's this. Charles Bukowski, Notes of a Dirty Old Man. Ham on Rye, that was really good. Tales of Ordinary Madness. This one. Back to Tongue. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Pulp. This is a poetry book, The Pleasure of the Damned. I mean, I got a ton of them. I haven't even got to read all of these yet. But now that I broke them out, I'm ready to start reading. Okay, as always, I start off with a pencil sketch. I didn't do a Procreate sketch as I normally do. I decided just to I already had a good idea of what I wanted to do. Plus, I'm kind of using this same photo here that I looked at to create that poster. And as always, my sidekick Dean the dog is in, and he's not looking at us right now. Hey Dean, say hi to the camera. Good boy. And or you can go back to sleep now. Now I got something exciting to share with you guys. Collaborating with another artist named Deep Ellum Hammer, or DE Hammer. I'll leave a link to his channel, and I actually sent him the finished painting, an image of the finished painting, and using Illustrator and the CNC. Actually, he's doing a CNC machining, computer numeric control, and using Illustrator in the CNC machining. He got this, it etches out the design in plastic, and then you can light it up, and it looks really cool. So stay tuned to the end of the video to check that out. I'll have some pictures and a little video of it, and also at the end of the video I'm doing a quick 1 minute time lapse of this entire process. It's what I put on TikTok. I have a TikTok channel. I'll leave that in the description also. It's creative__Rob on TikTok. Check it out. I have 30 second and 1 minute time lapse to music, and it's kind of fun. Alright, so now I've broken out the watercolor, and I'm just starting to add the shadows. I was very happy with the way this turned out. Out of this series, it's probably one of my favorite ones, and I was very happy with the way Deep Ellum Hammer got this looking with his process. I feel like it represents Charles Bukowski well. I was telling Hammer, it reminds me of an old bar sign that you're walking in a city, and you go down a dark alley and you see this lit up sign, but it's Charles Bukowski's face. I think Charles Bukowski probably would have liked that. So back to the painting. Here I'm adding a little bit, hint of purple and blue into the shadows. Now, if you want to learn a little more about the CNC machining process, he's creating a video of the process of creating the Charles Bukowski CNC machine. So what is the final product called, Amber? What is it? It's like, it looks like it's etched out in plexiglass and cut out in such a way that it's lit up from the bottom, and everything that's etched out reflects the color coming from the bottom. I don't know what it's called. But it's super awesome. If you want to learn more about that, go to his channel and check out the video. I'll have a link in the description. Now here I'm adding some blue. I'm darkening it up a little bit. Again, I'm not looking to make this as realistic as possible. I don't like to do that. It bores me, unless I'm just trying to sharpen my skill or show off a little bit. I don't have a lot of fun doing that. So yeah, I mean, I just kind of jumped right on it and started sketching it out and painting. And I'm more concerned with showing emotion through the brush strokes or pencil strokes. I'm more concerned about that. That's what excites me. So there in the background with the pen, ballpoint pen, just created some scribbles, and then over that I took a watercolor pen and created scribbles. And after I did that, I got a spray bottle and sprayed water all over it, and that activates the watercolor pen and makes it bleed. And and then right there, I'm just using the blow dryer to speed up the drying process. Here I'm just using a pen liner to kind of outline the image. Now, one of my favorite Charles Bukowski poems is called Bluebird. And that is a really great poem. I was going to see if I could find it in this book. If you haven't heard Bluebird, you could probably YouTube it. There's some stuff on YouTube about Bluebird, where I believe it starts off, there's a bluebird inside me. And anyway, it's a very great poem. I love it. So yeah, here I'm just going in, adding some character, some style with the pen on top of the watercolor. And now I'm breaking out the India ink to darken it up in some areas. the pen just can really bring it really brings this painting to life. There is, I've been doing in my series, Xing out the eyes and adding the stitching across the mouth. But you can't keep Charles Bukowski's mouth shut. It looks like he's breaking out of those stitches, you know, like probably in a drunken rage. He is drinking in this painting. In a lot of his readings, his live readings, he would drink quite a bit and even yell at the audience and stuff. It was hilarious. Later in life, he did tone it down a lot. But when he was trying to stop drinking, he was like, well, what am I gonna do now? And he would start going to horse races and betting on the horses and stuff like that. Here I'm just adding a little bit of color and strokes to the image now. Yeah, I really love the way this turned out. So much energy. I feel like it fits Bukowski well, especially in some of his stories. He writes very raw and real. It's rugged and rough. And he's the star in a lot of his stories. Some of it based on personal experiences, of course embellished a little bit. What is it, Dean? What'd you hear? Oh, yeah, tough dog. You tough dog. Now I'm going over in pastel, oil pastels. Alright, bub, that's it. And that's the final piece right there. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I don't know, I love this one. I really love it. It's beautiful. And now here's what Deep Elm Hammer did. DE Hammer. It lights up in different colors. You know, basically took the image, put it in Illustrator, and with the CNC machining, I was able to create something like this. Totally awesome. That was cool working with you, bud. Yeah, look at all the detail he put in there. Awesome. Now here's the 1 minute time lapse portion, and you could see this with music on TikTok. If you guys haven't yet, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. Look for me on Instagram and TikTok. TikTok's kind of fun because you know, we get to put these time lapse to popular music, or music that moves you, music you feel like goes to the image. So it's a lot of fun. Well, I guess that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you haven't yet, consider subscribing. Go check out Deep Elm Hammer's work and subscribe to his channel. And that's it, guys. I'll talk to you later. See you on the next one.